Well, we got a couple updates. I've got some parts to work on this weekend. My CR500 project collected. I went to my machinist and got the necessary components that he was machining to make my shock absorber fit. And at the same time, I picked up a brand new SV650 chain and sprockets to replace on that bike, which I have been putting off for quite a while. And I had somebody actually call me out on my SV650 chain removal video and told me that I was doing some things wrong, so we're going to replace it all with the right parts. And the reason for me doing it wrong is because the old chain was crap and I didn't care. It was just something that I found in my toolbox. But anyway, let's show what we got. Well, pretty much everybody knows me as the Duckman, so these parts were labeled and waiting for me over at D&D Cycles. And what I've got in the box is a nice front sprocket, a rear sprocket, so we've got a nice set brand new, and a nice O-ring chain. So we got a replacement for that too. And this for my SV650. So we'll have this all put together tomorrow on Sunday. And over at my machinist shop, he had me put together and cut out what is this wooden extension. The wooden extension goes on the bottom of this shock absorber. And as you may have remembered from my other video, it goes in there just like this. And this was to make it extend to the length that was necessary to fit on the CR500 frame, so I can get a street shock on it without having to go through spending an astronomical amount of dollars to get a dirt shock converted to street. So what I had made was an aluminum component, and even though it's solid aluminum, it's really light. It doesn't weigh much anything. But this sucker fits right into here like so, and then the bolts pop into the hole, and this will be bolted on the bike tomorrow. Now that I have a complete suspension set, I should be able to get the wiring configured on that bike. I should be able to get the throttle linkage going, and I should be able to get the thing kick-started. So we'll see what's going on with that tomorrow. I'll have an update done with the extension put on, and all the bolts gone into it, and I'll have some wonderful photographs and stuff going on with this as well. So, thanks everybody for viewing. Watch out for the new videos coming up in future.